Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install DLC on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the Steam window. You'll see several tabs there, and you'll want to click on Library. This is where all your games are stored and managed, making it the central hub for everything you own on Steam. Now look at the left panel of your screen where all your installed and purchased games are listed. Find the game you want to install DLC for, then right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Properties. This will open a new window that contains all the settings and information related to that specific game. In the Properties window, you'll notice another left panel with various tabs like General, Updates, and more. Click on the DLC tab. This section is specifically designed to manage all downloadable content associated with your game, giving you full control over what additional content you want to install or remove. Once you're in the DLC section, you'll see a list of all available DLC for that game. Each piece of downloadable content will have its own checkbox next to it. Simply check the box next to the DLC you want to install. You can select as many or as few as you'd like, depending on what content you own and want to add to your game. After you check the boxes for your desired DLC, Steam will automatically start downloading and installing them. You'll see the download progress in your Steam library, usually at the bottom of the window or in the Downloads section. The time it takes will depend on the size of the DLC and your internet connection speed, so just give it a moment to complete the process. And that's it, you've successfully installed DLC for your game on Steam, adding new content and features to enhance your gaming experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.